the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood, you're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that could be mean so much, so much. If you are someone who knocking his head against the wall and facing the problem, how can I learn English without enroll any courses, without spend our penny? Yes guys, you can learn English without enroll any courses, without waste your single penny. You can learn English alone at home. There are several things guys with whom you can practice. What are the things? The things is your mobile, your books, your copies, and etc. With whom you can practice, with whom you can improve your English, with whom you brush up your English speaking. Yes guys, so in this video I'm talking about how can you learn English without having partner, without having an English environment, or without enroll any course and institute. Yes guys, you can learn English without having anything else. Even I also learned this language without enroll any course, without having any partner. Yes guys, in my initial days I haven't any idea how can I learn English, and I haven't much guidance about it. How can I learn English? Moreover, I try my best. I find such a things. Moreover, I practice over and over again. That's why I brush up my skill. That's why I brush up my English skill. And then I'll tell you what the thing you can use, what the stuff you can use to brush up your English. So without waiting around the bush, let's get dive the video. Okay guys, you know very well that in this video I'm not talk about writing is important, writing is important, reading is important. I'm not talking about 4 aspect, but I am talking about some genuine things. The thing is, the first step is time. Yes guys, time. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to master in English, so you should have to manage your time. Because many people think that I want to learn English, but I don't have environment, but I don't have any friend with whom I can practice. But no guys, you can practice, but without wasting your time. You are wasting your time. How can I learn English? How can I learn English? Instead of thinking how can I learn English, you can do it. You can speak it. Guys, seriously, our problem is that we would not able to drop our comfort zone. Actually, we lay down and consciously thinking how can I learn English. If you really want to learn English, so you should leave your comfort zone and give the pain your body. You have to finish up your task. You have to, if you really want to speak this language, so you can speak in front of camera, whether it is 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It is good. It is good. Instead of lay down, you can practice. If you are practice brush up your English speaking. I hope you are getting my point, what I am trying to say you. If you want to learn English, so you should drop your comfort zone. Okay, and then you will learn English guys. Seriously. The second tip is the plan. Guys, plan is very important. Even many people neglected it. Oh, plan is not important, and etc. If we have idea that we have to follow 4 aspects. So one day I speak, one day I writing, one day. But no guys, no. If you curious, if you have burning desire to learn this language, so you must have to follow a certain plan that would be help you a lot. Yeah guys, also I also follow a plan. Okay, because I know that I have to complete my all the chores, so it is quite difficult for me to follow my this plan. But anyhow, I manage my time, I manage my studies or my chores as well. Girls is watching my videos, so she can relate how much difficult it is, how much difficult it is to do chores and to complete our study as well. And also you can do it if you don't have much time. Okay, this is your convenience. If you have a much time, if you don't have a vast household chores, so you can give the time as much as you can, guys. Then you will learn English, then you would be able to brush up your English speaking. Yes guys. And actually if you are beginner, so definitely you will give 10 or 20 minutes. And it's all up to you how busy you are. It is all up to you how much time will you give your studies. Okay, will you give this language? All right. Now guys, now the third step is this. Third step is most important. The third step is we cannot neglect it. I actually in my previous video I talk about animation video is important. You can watch if you are beginner. But if you are intermediate, if you are intermediate learner or non intermediate learner or beginner level, and you are starting your journey right now, so you can also watch animation videos or animation like animated songs. Right now I am listening song because it because I am doing chores, so I haven't much time to give the time watching videos or listening something. So I simply I just play the song and I was doing my work and I was listening the song and I mug up the song. Actually I want to recite the song, so if you want to skip that, so you can skip it, and if you want to listen it, so you can listen it. Okay guys. You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood, you're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that could be mean so much, so much. That is the song that I listened so many times. So this song is mug up in my tongue and I sing this song. Alright. So this is my song that I was listening and I mug up this song. That's why I was recite to you. Okay. If you also want to proficient in this language, if you also want to good command of English language, so you should have to pay attention on every single aspect, and also you should have to pay attention on every single basis. Okay, don't waste your time. If you have time, so grasp that time. Okay, but as of now if you are a beginner, so don't take so much pressure. Okay, you enjoy this process as much as you can enjoy. Okay, this is not that a burden on your head. You can learn this language, you can take your time to learn this language. Okay, and it is depend on your practice, how much persist you are and how much like passionate you are to learn this language. Okay, so don't take too much pressure and enjoy your learning journey. Okay, and that is all that I wanted to tell you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please give it a like and write down your opinion in the comment section. And also the very important thing, you can suggest me the next topic. I will make the video on that topic, on that particular topic. But till then, take care and bye bye. Also, happy learning.